Hi, in this video I want to help you get started with Python. If you search for top computer programming languages, you'll quickly see that Python is one of the top languages. So here are a couple of well-known top language surveys, and Python is a strong leader in one, and second in another survey right behind C, C++. So Python could be a really nice and marketable skill for you. So in this video I'll just show you a couple places to get Python so that you can get started. So there are two places that I would recommend. The first, if you want the latest and greatest, just go to python.org. And here you can get the latest and greatest. You see they're allowing you to get 3.9.6, and you can get it for any platform you can think of: Windows, Mac, Linux. This is the latest Python available. Another great place to get Python is Anaconda. The reason to come to this site for Python is that you'll get a Python that comes with a lot of other packages that help you immediately get started in things like machine learning, scientific applications, visualization. And so you can just come here and get the individual edition, which is free, right? That's the great thing about Python. And so you can just hit download. It should detect your computer. Now, I'm a Mac user, and I actually recommend getting an additional installer here. This is like this sort of standard, but if I go down here and click Mac, or actually you get all of them, and the graphical installer was the one that they were going to give you just by default. I've found more luck with the command line installer, because here with the graphical installer, in the past I've never had success with upgrading and updating it, but I find it's much easier in the command line installer to add packages and updates. So I would recommend going with that, especially if you're a Mac user. I don't know which is better in Windows, but this has been good for me. And notice here they're giving out Python 3.8. So those are the top two places I would recommend getting Python if you want to get started. Of course, maybe you already have your own Python, and so you don't need to download it. In the next video, I'll just show you some basics of Python. We'll run Python in a few different ways. Hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe, like the video, share the channel. Have a great day.